What's up YouTube? TF Bricks here with a Tutorial Tuesday for you. This is the tutorial I was going to have last Tuesday, but since I destroyed my city and rebuilt it, I'm bringing it to you today. Now this is a tutorial brought to you by the lovely people over at Star. They are a commercial kitchen equipment company, and they distribute and design and install kitchen equipment for Taco Bell and other types of restaurants. And it is brought to you by my father-in-law, who works there. Now there was a trade show recently with the kitchen companies and their distributors, and Star here contacted IchibanToys, and Ichiban designed a couple of little kind of like poly bags for the show for Star of kitchen equipment that they have. And you can't get these anywhere, and my father-in-law picked them up for me because he knows how much of a Lego fan I am, and I am bringing them to you today to show you how to make some different types of kitchen equipment for your restaurants in your cities. So let's get our guys out of the way. And these are the parts you are going to need. I'm going to show you how to build a charbroiler and also a panini grill. Now these up here, these parts are what you need for the charbroiler, and these parts down here are what you're going to need for the panini grill. So let's go ahead and show you how to build the charbroiler, and then we'll go on to the panini. Alright, let's get started on building this charbroiler. First, you take a 1x2 light bluish gray brick. Not 1x2, 2x2. What am I thinking? Then you take a 1x2 light bluish gray brick with 2 Technic ports on it. And you stick that behind each other. Then you take 2 1x2s black grills, and that acts as the grill for the charbroiler. You stick those, connecting the 2x2 with the 1x2. You take a 1x2 light bluish gray wall element, and stick it on the back. Now you can use any colors. I like to use the light bluish gray because that is kind of what you would see in a restaurant. You could use dark bluish gray, maybe even black, depending on how you want your restaurant to look. Then you take 2, it'll focus, of these silvery 1x1 rounds. You stick those in those Technic ports on the front of the charbroiler. Those act as your oven, or actually it would be charbroiler dials for temperature. Then underneath you take 4 1x1 black rounds to raise up your kitchen equipment, because as we all know, kitchens need to be clean, and you need to be able to clean underneath your kitchen equipment, or else you get a F on your health rating, and nobody wants that. And there is your charbroiler. Go ahead and show you what it looks like next to a minifigure. That looks pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and get to the panini grill. What you want to do is take a 2x3 light bluish gray brick, take a 1x2 light bluish gray plate, stick that behind each other. Take one of your 1x2 light bluish gray plates with the modified plate that is got the bar on it. Stick that on top of your 1x2 plate. Then you take another 1x2 light bluish gray plate, stick that on top, just like so. Then you take 2 1x4 dark bluish gray with the tile with the 2 studs on it, on the ends. You stick that on top to connect them. Just like so. And then we take 4 1x1 black rounds, just like the charbroiler. Get it off the floor. Don't want to have any unclean surfaces in the kitchen. Boom, just like that. Then you take 2 light bluish gray robot arms. What you want to do, flip them upside down so it's kind of like a U. Stick them on the very ends of your modified plate, just like so. Then take another 1x2 plate, modified, and flip it upside down and clip it onto the robot arms. Just like so. There we go. Then you take a 1x2, no, why did I keep saying 1x2? 2x4 light bluish gray plate and attach it just like so. Actually, sorry. Just like so. Like that. And then you take a 2x2 light bluish gray plate, stick it there. And then take your last 1x2 modified plate with the bar on it to act as a handle. And now your panini grill can open and close. And to give it that look of a panini, take a 2x2 tan tile and you close up the panini grill, and there you are, grilling your paninis. So let's bring in a minifigure, show how that looks. And yes, now I'm a chef. What better costume to wear than a chef costume with kitchen equipment? Now let's bring in the charbroiler. Go ahead and bring in my father-in-law. And those look awesome, guys. I hope you guys will use some of these designs in your restaurants in future builds. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave comments down in the description below. Check out starmanufacturing.com if any of you own a restaurant and need some kitchen equipment. I will be sure to leave a link down in the description below to Star Manufacturing. And I will also leave a link to IchibanToys. They designed these two particular poly bags. I don't know what else to call them because these are little giveaways at the show. And they've got a couple vehicles, some space satellites, and a few things. Basically custom instructions you can download and buy. So that is all I got for you guys. I will see you guys next time.